Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about how to set up and install Python machine into your Windows operating system. Whereas Python is a very famous language which is growing up day to day because of its easy nature as well as object oriented features and so many other features which are available in Python like networking, multi-threading, so many features like this are available, which makes Python unique and flexible language available in the market. So most of the companies they are moving towards Python. So only I am going to show you how to set up and install Python software into your machine. In later stages, I will be explaining you the programs also one by one. Whereas now for Windows operating system, first you just open any of the browser, whatever the browser you are comfortable in your machine. You just go to python.org. Just get into python.org. Yeah, it's opening just for a while. Yeah, now here you can see this is a official website of python.org. Then here you need to download this particular thing. So you just click on menu, you can see the menu. Here you can click on downloads, where it will take you to the versions of Python available. You can click any one of this particular version. This is the latest version, and most of the people they are using 2.7 in the current project. So whichever you are fine, you can download that particular version. And if you want to see what are the differences, slightly some modifications has been happened between the versions, so you can go through about this. Of course, even I will be explaining about what are the changes has been happened between 2 and 3 also I will be explaining in further stages. Whereas for the time being, let me download this particular 2.7 only. Where it is getting downloaded, I don't want to download it again because already I have downloaded and I have installed it into my machine. This is just a normal installation, like a normal setup file how we will be installing in our Windows operating system. Same way you just download it and install it. Later, after downloading and installing, then next step what you have to do is you just go to this PC, go to properties. One thing you have to do is whenever if you install Python, it will get installed into your C drive. You can check it out here. Python folder will be available. Let me find it out. Yeah, Python 27. You just copy the path till here. Sometimes it get installed into program files also, whereas yeah, somewhere here also it will, yeah, you can see 3.x also I have installed, so it is there over here also. If it is there in program files, you copy till here. If it is there in C drive, you just copy the path till here itself. Okay, anyway we are dealing with 2.7 right now, so you just copy the path till C drive, and you just go to environment variables. Here you can find path variable over here, path variable, and I am dealing with Windows 10 right now. Okay, path variable, you just click on edit, and this is the variable you need to set. Let me set it again for you. Click on new. Here you paste that particular path. There is one important step what you have to do it over here. Then you just click OK, it just come out. Now once the Python is installed, you can see ideal Python GUI. You can get this particular GUI also. This is the first way of executing your program, Python program in Windows operating system. Whereas let me type one simple example, print hello. I am typing, you can see the result which is generating over here. Suppose if you want to execute through command prompt, if you don't want to use this particular GUI, you just close it. You just go to any of the location. Whereas in my E drive, I have created one particular folder called as Python folder. Under this first.py, py will be the extension for your Python file. I am going to edit that particular thing. You can see this is the simplest program which I have written. I don't want to make it so complicated for you. Whereas this is a string variable, and one important thing to say over here, here we don't have any data types like our C, C++, Java programming languages. Straight away you can declare the variable and you can assign the value, and that particular variable, if I wanted to print, I can print it by making use of print. And you remember, first.py is the extension, py is the extension of your particular file. Now you just get into this particular location by making use of command prompt. Yes, yeah, I'm stepping into that particular location. After that, python, it is first.py, so you just type first.py over here. You can see the result which has been generated by the first.py file. Here there is no class file, Java file, exe file, something and all, which will get generated after compilation. Straight away it will compile and renders the output. In this way the performance is also increased in our Python. This is what I wanted to show in the first video, whereas in later stages I will be showing you the other programs and other concepts of Python language. That is what the Python installation is all about. Thank you.